forget I'm supposed to be vlogging this and I'm already there. Girl, I almost missed my train. So I had to get this stupid ticket. I look like a wreck. Basically, the whole UL thing is a scam. The UL ticket thing wasn't working. I almost had to pay £400 to get a round trip from London to Paris, Paris back. It was just too much. I feel like too much of a wreck to talk about this. I just missed a million tickets. And I'm like praying right now that the station I get there in time, so I can make it to my bus on time, or else I'm so screwed. Wish me luck. That's all I'm gonna say.
L'emplacement dépend de rassemblement que les passagers doivent.
Now I'm supposed to be, bro. I already started filming it. Okay, ready? Yeah, you just I trust you. Ready? You go. I'm looking for Mia. I don't know where. Mia! Oh my god! Oh! I did so bad at filming that, I think. Oh my god. We're searching for a bathroom right now.
I don't think she'll get to use the bathroom until we reach home.
No. Wait. Let's try. Oh, how cute! Is that a frog? Mademoiselle? Oh my gosh. Oh, that's perfect. That's so cute. I would love to live in a place like this.
Really?
Yeah, that's so. I mean, outside of the smell, is that mold?
Yeah.
Outside of that, it's really cute.
It is a cute place. I think I'll open up the windows. I didn't open up the windows last night because I was scared. Okay.
That is so cute. And I filmed a little get ready montage because I never do that. I always forget that part. My stomach is growling. Still debating?
Debating on which fingers.
Oh. I heard a sigh of frustration. I think I left the majority of my rings behind.
You did?
Yeah, but that's fine, I guess.
Do you want to wear some of mine?
I have one.
Which one? Choose. You're wearing both.
Yes.
Yay. Yep.
Thank you.
College students. Another college student.
Bro, I'm free from college. It feels like elevated. I don't know.
I'm good. I'll be fine.
Bro, that's crazy.
You like never.
We're matching. The angle is bad. It's fine. Different perspective. Okay, packing my bag. Sunglasses. My sister helped me pay for these.
I saw
You saw?
on your Instagram.
Oh my, on my story. I was like,
Let me see.
Thank
Let's see. Okay.
I think they go with the fit. I think
They do.
I'm gonna put it on my forehead.
Yes.
Use it to help keep.
Yeah.
If I just like leave the house like this. I'm not trained in sunglasses etiquette. Like I don't know how this works. The only reason I really got these is because I never had sunglasses that fit me well. These fit me really well, and they make me feel confident. Other sunglasses make me feel like I look stupid.
No, those look really good on you, especially with the dress.
Thank you for your compliments. That's one thing. I'm wearing freaking boots. I don't have any cute.
You bought boots?
Yeah.
You bought 2 boots?
No, well, those boots go with a different outfit.
Oh.
You can't wear cowgirl boots with everything.
No.
Okay, but like, did the lady talk?
No.
Oh. Okay, but that's so cute. We have to take photos for sure.
We should actually drink wine. Should we
Now?
get a glass? Yeah. accustomed to European style. Once the sun rises, you start drinking.
Oh my gosh. I have to eat something first. So big. Oh, happy. Oh, messy. Oh, so pretty. I'm about ready. Okay, that's a good angle. I'm sure. Devoured. Gone. I need to practice holding my arm out because all of my Italy video I'm just like this the whole time. And what is up with the lighting? This is really good. Did you?
I don't really like popsicles. I've never really been a big fan of popsicles. My bad.
What? What?
I like ice cream. It's like sundae. I don't really like popsicles.
It's really good. You're missing out. I kind of just like imagine all the people just dying from the plague and then they just jump into the water and sacrifice themselves anyways. Why?
Why would you think that?
Cute. Oh, that's so cute.
Next stoplight, take
A left. Okay, got it. Oh, frick. Ah! Oh, the car. Ah! Okay, this is actually fun. Girl! As like a pregame, should we wine taste while we're in here?
Maybe. I wanted to drink from like 3 o'clock.
Oh, that's true. She's alcoholic. No, I'm joking. That's a joke. For me as future employers, I'm joking. That's actually crazy. It's so sunny. Oh, my eyeballs. I really can't take it. I really like this view.
Okay.
This is Oh, what's that? That's so crazy. It still looks really small though.
We're getting closer, don't worry.
We've been doing so good with taking photos and filming and, well, maybe not so much filming, but definitely taking a lot of photos. And, oh, this is good lighting. Definitely taking a lot of photos. And the Eiffel Tower, you have to, let me do it like this. You have to see, you have to see on Instagram later. I'll tag both of our Instagrams right here. Right here, Instagrams. And you have to check them out because the pictures are phenomenal. Not to mention the way I'm not greasy today. Amazing. I'm living right now. Oh, a bug. We're going to the Eiffel Tower to sit and we're going to have wine and we're going to talk and it's just going to be great. It's just going to be great. The necklace though, this stupid necklace that I love so much, it keeps flipping on me. But I feel like it's kind of a look. Like you can see some of the red, you can see some of the gold.
Yeah.
It's not too bad. Why don't we do the same thing? Eiffel Tower. Wait, can we do the touching thing? Touch the top. Wait. Ding. Okay, hit it.
than the macarons I've had in the US.
Now with the...
I'm not a big fan of macarons, but they're not bad. There's a lot more filling.
There's good with the wine.
Really? We're drinking wine too.
Oh, it makes the wine taste sweet.
Yes.
We've accomplished something here.
Oh, I love this vibe right here.
Yes, the view. I wish
There's
you guys
the
could
Eiffel
see
Tower.
the view that we're seeing in person. My gosh.
Yeah, Tom, I think we can finish this drink.
You think?
We can finish it.
Should we? Gosh, we're gonna have the deepest talk. I'm excited because I feel
I love girls talk.
like we have stuff to catch up. We've been catching up all day, but I feel like there's still more details.
We can talk a long. Tonight's gonna be a long night.
Oh, the view's so pretty. I can't get over it.
Oh,
what's that?
We should take a photo together.
We should. Let's do it now. Beautiful! Oh my god! At this time, a random man started bothering us.
Okay, buddy, you're gonna have to leave, my guy.
Bye! Goodbye! Are those your friends over there or something? Oh no, no music, please. Dear God. Please leave! No! Leave! Bye!
Your friend like you.
Huh?
We're dating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You like song?
No. It's okay.
You can go and we'll stay here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
No.
I was like,
Oh, that's it? Dang, I missed
I'm going under in this tower, there's no one to save me. I'm going under in this tower, I'm going under in this tower, there's no one to save me.
using your phone right now.
But this is so cute.
Yeah, I'm not cold.
Update, we're going clubbing. And update again, my phone is on 4%. And yeah.
We need to get back home first.
Yes, and then we're gonna charge my phone and then we're gonna go out and it's gonna be so fun. Yes.
Yes.
So update, we did not go clubbing. We came home and now we're doing face masks because it's late and we need some vitalizing so we can wake up and look good in the morning.
She's going to do my tarot readings.
Yes.
Yeah.
Gosh, I'm gonna be so excited. I don't think we should film the tarot though. I need to focus.
Okay. Okay.
But just know that we're doing it.
Yeah. Can't see.
You can't?
No.
Why?
I've tried American Christmas.
They're booty, bro. I don't know why they feel so fake.
The facing, my eyes doesn't even fit in that shit.
What do you mean?
Like,
It's too big or too small?
too small. Like too close to each other.
Mm.
Too small. Yeah.
I like Korean masks because of the ingredients. American ones, they be adding fragrance and stuff. Boo. But my forehead is too African for this crap. So I have to take the serum and push it up this way.
Ah, me too.
But it's okay. Neck. And to be honest, when you have the
It's-
mask on,
Oh.
I feel like the...
We need to wash this.
Yeah, I'll wash it off.
I'm gonna
Okay.
wash my hands right here.
We lay down flat for like 3 minutes so it soaks in as much, and then we can sit up and start doing the tarot and stuff.
That sounds good. You're coming with me. We're going back to our room. There's the bed. Oh, so
Oh, you're doing a little tour?
tour
This is my stuff on the floor, as usual.
right there.
Once I cut it out. Getting ready to leave. I I forgot underwear. Now here we are. I don't know if I'm gonna add this to the video, but